Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to rotate an image in Canva. This is canva.com website, and instead of creating a new design, I will work on this existing design. This is a photo. Now, to rotate a photo inside this template, it's simple. Just tap on your image or a photo like that. And as you can see, this is a rotation icon. Tap on it and keep rotating your photo. Let's say that you want to rotate your image to an exact degree. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Say that you want to rotate your image to an exact degree. Just select your image like that and go to position from this toolbar. A new side panel opens up, and below rotate, fill in your rotation angle. Let's rotate it, for example, 45 degree. Click on enter on your keyboard, and as you can see, your photo or image is rotated to the exact 45 degree. Let's rotate it 120, and this is the 120. And this is how to rotate an image in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.